Mississippi Sound, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Perdido Pass to 9 nautical miles west of Farewell Buoy, moving north at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Big Lagoon, Sand Island Lighthouse, Bon Sucre Bay, Farewell Buoy, Perdido Pass, Orange Beach, Central Dauphin Island, Fort Gaines, and Perdido Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. A high surf